joined QSpiders before 6 months for Java full stack development course, and I have successfully completed this course. During this journey, I am very thankful for the QSpiders and the trainers over here because they taught me each and everything very clearly from the scratch to the maximum level. Where I'm from a non-CS background, I don't know a single level of coding. I don't much have any idea about this. But once I have joined here, the way of the trainers trained me and their skills, which really helped me to clear everything over here. And I have learned I have developed my skill very good. My level of my skills of training and the level of coding was good after joining QSpiders. And I'm really thankful for their way of teaching. They are very friendly too. If you have any doubts at any time, they can contact us for them. So that's it. Now I have placed in one reputed organization with good salary. I'm really thankful for QSpiders and the trainers over here for this their teaching and their way of everything. So thank you so much, QSpiders.